Hey, it's David Shummy, and I just wanted to tell you how good picture framing can make you and your family feel. Just think, at Christmas time, if you frame a little photo of you and the kids and you give it to Grandma, she is just overjoyed because she's so used to getting presents that people have just gone down and bought from the shops. But when you hand make it, that is your time and effort that's going into that gift. And that love shows and it endures. When you give someone that gift of love and you give them that frame, they put it up in the house and they remember it year after year. So you get such value and your self-esteem is improved as well. So I'd really encourage you to learn how to do picture framing. I can teach you step by step how you can get the best results. And I reckon you should pop over to pictureframeclass.com and find out a little bit more. I've got a great course there that'll teach you just how to do it, and I just hope you join because I'd love to see you on the inside. Learn how to frame your pictures today at pictureframeclass.com and start the journey to improving your home and lifestyle.